When I think of my school days evening snack, one memory comes alive instantly. It's the big bowl of puffed rice my mom lovingly made for me and my siblings. It was always more than just a snack. The bowl was heaped with light, crunchy puffed rice, roasted peanuts, crisp fried gram, and a handful of dry fruits like almonds, cashews, and raisins. That made every bite a little surprise. I can still hear that familiar crunch sound that washed away the tiredness of a long day at school. Every evening, the moment we got home, bags thrown to our side, still in our uniforms, mom would be ready with this comforting treat. She always made it in a big bowl because she knew none of us stopped at just one handful. We would gather around, teasing each other, fighting over that extra cashew, and laughing till our stomachs hurt. Those were the simplest yet happiest moments of our childhood. Even today, when I prepare this same puff rice snack, it brings back the same warmth. Only now there's a small difference. Back then, I used to make it in oil, but today I give it a healthier twist. I made it in the air fryer, a quick and easy version, just as crunchy, just as comforting. And the best part, I made sure to prepare a little extra so I could pack it for my mom and my sister. And guess what? They loved it. Hearing my mom say she enjoyed this new version was the best compliment I received today. It felt like I had brought the circle of love right back to where it began. That's the magic of food. It's not just about recipes, it's about love, memories, and small innovations that carry traditions forward. For me, this quick and easy recipe of puffed rice will forever be a taste of home, comfort, and my childhood. And there's one more thing. This humble bowl of puffed rice always travels with me. Whenever I step out of the house, whether it's for a trip or a long journey, I carry it with me. Because the moment I open that box, no matter where I am, it feels like home. I don't feel homesick, instead, I feel connected to my roots, to my family, and to my memories. If this story reminds you of your own school days evening snack, I would love to hear it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because food is not just about cooking, it's about reliving memories together. Thank you.